What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today we're gonna learn how you can check stuffs on investigating.com. So the stuffs can be anything, the calendar, the charts, the news. Let me just break into the smaller segments and help you guys. So let's get started guys. So firstly, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to investigating.com app or investigating.com website and then log in with your account, and you guys will be redirected to this platform, which is your home screen of investigating.com. So let's get started with the news. So how you can check the news? Firstly, just go to the option over here which says news, and you can choose any of this financial news, which is the stock market, cryptocurrency, and anything. So my favorite, let's go with the cryptocurrency. Over here now you'll be having the cryptocurrencies news, which is like this. You can just tap one of them and then you can check about the news, what is going on, what's not. And this is how to check the news. So let's go with the how to check the calendar. Just go to this tool and then you'll be having the options over here. Just go with that first one, economic calendar, and then now you will be having the economic calendar. So you can check the economic calendar over here, the events that are gonna happen today, tomorrow, or this week, or even next week. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you check on investigating.com with different stuff. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching our video guys, and if you have any queries or anything related to the content, just comment down below and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.